When you order the yoga exercise tent, you're going to actually get 3 boxes. There's a different video on the frame and how to assemble that, but you get 2 boxes, the A and the B. And that's the first thing we check when we ship out your order, to make sure they're numbered together, because the panels are custom zipped together, tested before we ship them. So we're going to go ahead and open up the boxes and see what's in there. This is the A box. But you get these panels. I just love the new color. It's in the wood grain with the golden finish. Now, when I first designed this, I thought, gee, these are so large and spacious that it wouldn't get hot enough inside. Well, you might just want to store this. This is if you want to stand up or sit down. You can lower the ceiling in the sit-down position, I thought, to make it hotter. But with this R12 insulation, oh my gosh, you sweat without it. But there's nice little ribbons on the side. We'll actually install this later. And this is where the chains or the ropes go through to hang the lamp. And this cotton binding here, this is organic cotton. And the zippers are ROHS certified. They don't have lead. Your pants could actually have twice as much lead than what's allowed in Europe. So we just have to think of every area and eliminate possible contamination. So you have this really long panel, and then you have the door panel with the zipper here. So that's what's in one of the 2 boxes that you'll get. So definitely be careful when you're opening up these. Don't take like a knife. If you see, my little cutter only goes so far, because we don't cover if you're opening up and you cut the panels. That's not covered under warranty. So be very careful. The new mats actually have stitch blocks and they fold, which is kind of cool. So you can either roll or fold. And then there's more tent panels. There's your internal partition. And then your tent panel travel bag. By the way, we boiled and baked the bamboo slats under pressure instead of using chemicals. And the stitch blocks allow you to fold the mat for travel, or when you unfold it, you can literally roll it up if you wanted to roll it up. So it's just a personal preference of how you want to, put it in your travel bag. But we're going to put this underneath the frame because we're going to actually show you how to install the panels. It's meant to go on the floor, then you lift and you put the frame on top of the mat. And the back of the mat has the radiant backing as well. And so this is sized so that depending on if you have carpeting or whatever kind of flooring, that this mat can go on top of this and to give you the protection that you need. So now we're going to put the longest panel over here. I think that's the best way to do it, and I have an assistant helping me. However, you could do it yourself. So these are the end panels actually. This is the door. So of course, for our purposes of this demonstration, we're going to put the door on the front. And I need to figure out the zipper pull. This is what's interesting about this, is this is the front door and it's the end. That side over there is where I have the zipper pull and I got to pull. I put mine together in my spa room and I had it backwards, and it's like, when you got other stuff in your house, it's kind of hard to maneuver around everything. So now that we know we want the door here, we need the zipper pull in that corner. because there's two ways we could put it. And there it is. There's the zipper pull. So we know that we want that over there. So it's best, because it's in half, to kind of keep it in half and then go over the top. So please do not attach the white Velcro to the bottom yet, because when you're zipping on the other panels, you have to lift up just a little bit to go around the corner. So since you can't see if we put the door panel on first, we're going to put the back panel on. And the back panel, you obviously put the zipper in the corner there. And what you can do to make this a little bit easier is you can attach a couple of these Velcro. Don't get crazy on that, because again, it will be harder to zip. But that kind of holds it in place just a little bit for you. So then, these zippers are a size number 10, and they're very, very durable, and they're coil zippers. There's also, you can see all this Velcro. Literally, the tent can work without putting the Velcro on. Probably in future versions I'll get rid of half of them, because we just don't need that many. So before we add all these Velcros in here and get it tightened down so you can see a little better, we are going to work on this tent. I'm going to grab the other top panel here for the front. So basically you could just, let that be a hand for you and just kind of let it balance there. And then the best way to do this, just like a jacket zipper, make sure that you have the pull all the way down and you insert that end all the way in. And then since you don't have the Velcro on the bottom, you're going to kind of have to put your foot there. Keep it from lifting up as you zip this up. Again, lifting around the corner. And the Velcro gets in the way of the zipper, so you kind of got to do that with your hand to keep it out of the way. And then on this one, to make around the corner, you have to lift it up. And so this one here, I'm going to undo. I was keeping me from lifting it up. And to get around the corner, see, I need that extra height. See how much easier that was? There you go. Of course, it won't pooch like that when we get all the Velcro done. So we're going to undo the door. There's the Velcro right here. So you can go in here like this and hook it here out of the way if you wanted to. But then you can go in here and, I put so many Velcros in here that you don't need to attach all of them, so feel free to put one or two or all of them. But that's how you put the hot yoga tent together.